Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making cornbread dressing. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 8 cups of cornbread, 8 cups of chicken stock, 1 10-ounce box of stuffing mix, 1 pound of spicy Italian sausage, 1 pound of sweet Italian sausage, 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of butter, 4 stalks of celery, 1 onion, 1 teaspoon of sage, 2 teaspoons of thyme, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then add your sausage. Now cook your sausage for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove your sausage from the pan and set it aside until later. Now melt your butter. Now add the onion and celery and saute for 5 minutes. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe along with other recipes, please visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. I have provided a link in the description below. After 5 minutes, remove the onion and celery from the pan and set them aside until later. Now add your crumbled cornbread to a large bowl. Now add your stuffing mix, onion and celery, and sausage. Season with your thyme, sage, salt, and pepper, then add 4 cups of chicken stock. Now mix until well combined. Pour in your eggs, then mix until well combined. Now add the remaining 4 cups of chicken stock and mix until well combined. Add your dressing to your baking dish, then transfer it to the oven that has been preheated to 350 degrees. Allow your dressing to cook for 35 to 45 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps.